Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video where the goal is to introduce you to all the different statistical software and programming software and tech accounts that you're going to need in order to effectively do the things you need to do in this lab. So this involves, in this video, we're going to be talking a little bit about R, RStudio, Anaconda, VSCode, GitHub, and Google Developer Console specifically to access the YouTube Data API. And then we can talk about other APIs in the future, but you can just, Google R download to download R. You're looking for something like the Comprehensive R Archive Network. We're currently on version 4.4 or so. And then, you can download from Windows or from Mac. If I'm personally on Mac, so our Mac download, we can Google it together, and then it's going to be right here. You're going to be on this kind of page. And then if you're on Mac, I know I'm on Apple Silicon M1 or M2, and then you can also download for older Intel x86 Macs. So just download that and then follow the installation instructions, and you should be good to go. RStudio, you're looking to download from a company called Posit, and then RStudio Desktop, you don't have to pay for anything. They do have a paid version, but no one uses the paid version that I know. So we install RStudio Desktop, and then here I suppose they have installation instructions for R as well. So if you just navigate to Posit, then R and then RStudio will set you up well. This will be everything you need once you have R and RStudio set up to start the video series that I've made on coding in R using ChatGPT, and that's everything you need from here on out. We're going to move on to downloading Anaconda, VSCode, GitHub, and working on the YouTube Developer Console for the later steps of the project that involve Python and using my package Variable Resolution, which is a Python package. So for Python, what you're going to want to set up is Anaconda. So Anaconda is I suppose they call it a package manager, or it's software that helps you run Python and R for data science tasks and machine learning. So Anaconda is a useful bundle of software. Once you hit this landing page, you can ignore, you don't even have to put your email in here. You can skip this register. You can just go press free download in the top right hand corner. I think free download takes you to this page, and then you press skip registration. You download for Windows, Mac, or Linux, depending on your operating system, and you should be good to go. Visual Studio Code, you're looking to go to code.visualstudio.com, and then you can download it. You can experiment with Copilot, and I use a version of Copilot, and that helps me code, in Python and whatnot. When I'm in, it's ChatGPT, but in the code, in the user interface, and that's always helpful. And then GitHub is where people put their it's like Google Drive but for code, but even more advanced. And so people upload their latest software there that's not quite ready for release, but and people put their mature software up there as well. Lastly, the Google Developer Console. You want to go to something like Google Cloud Platform, and then you're going to end up in some white page. Just press console in the top right hand corner, and then you can YouTube Data API into that, and then you're looking for YouTube Data API v3. So using YouTube Data API v3, there should be a button here that says create credentials or enable this API, and then create credentials. Follow the instructions for that. Once you've enabled the API for public data, you can manage the API, and then in the left column here, you can look for credentials, and then show API key. That's where you'll be able to find your API, and that's kind of like your password for enabling you to download YouTube videos and metadata that we're going to be analyzing later in the term. So that should be everything you need to get yourself set up for this term, and yeah, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one.